That the human rights. Human rights. Human rights. It was after Second World War. Yes, that the requirement of the human rights that the people feel, because innocent people were killed, they are not treated as the humans, as being the human. Therefore, that was the one of the need and requirements, and this is the universal declarations of human rights was made by the General Assembly of the United Nations on 10th December 1948 AD. It was the Universal Declarations. That was the human rights. And the cause behind the declaration of the contemporary situation by 1943, that was Adolf Hitler, Emperor of Germany. Do you heard the name of the Adolf Hitler? He belongs in the Nazi party, and that there is a military force he has. He is after the First World War, and when he come to the power, he established the Nazi. In the Italy, Mussolini, and there is a here Germany, that the Hitler. Both. How to restore the power which lost in the First World War. Right? How they learn what is lost in the First World War, that they are how to establish, how to recover, how to return that territory. That was the purpose of Mussolini and Adolf Hitler. On the other hand, what's also there is the after the First World War, the condition of the Germany was very poor. There is unemployment, it's a factory industries, economic divided, decreasing. These are, anyways, the Adolf Hitler's Germany had overcome most of the Europe, and he had murdered many of the 6 million Jews, which was the climax of the inhumanity and cruelty. Means Jews are against that the Germany. They are in the Jerusalem, Jewish people. They are against Adolf Hitler, Germany. So the Adolf Hitler ordered his army, kill all the Jews. Suppose commit mistake, commit crime one, and killed all, it's not the quality and the immunity. You can read in the found there the Annie's diary. 2 sisters lives in her house with their parents 6 years. 6 years they could not go out. We are in the 6 months, we are fed up. How they are 6 years in one room. At last, their parents were killed, and they took to that is the army tent, and in tent they were, she, Anisa and her sisters, and that the army shoot them in front of their eyes, that the father. She has written all the activities that is happening, she faces in her diary, and his diaries. Their human rights is like that one. On December 7, 1941, Japan attacked on the USA. The USA on Hawaii. And this dragged the USA into the war. If you little bit discuss that is the Axis and Allies. European country was that the divided into two big group. That was the Allies and Axis. Axis was what? After the First World War, some of the countries like here the Russia, USSR, and China, some other countries, they are turned into the communism, races to the communism. So how to just that communism is stop? That the Italy and that the German has to make that one. First that the Japan, Italy, Germany and Japan, yes, and there was one, there is a Italy, and the Italy became that it is a one axis, Romeo, Berlin, Tokyo axis. Romeo, Berlin, Tokyo axis. So Rome is the capital of Germany, Berlin is the capital of, Rome is the capital of Italy, Berlin is the capital of Germany, and Tokyo is the capital of Japan. Three of the country has kept the name of that axis, what was against that the anti-Comintern pact. Means purpose was to establish what the control that the communist from the world. Whereas they are restoring the power, nationalism, what's that the strengthen the powers and breaking that the nation of League of the Nations. Right? And then it means Japan attack in the Manchuria of China, Germany attack on that the Poland, Italy in that also attacked with that the loss of the territories. जो राज्य उनीहरूले प्रान्तहरू गुमाएको थियो त्यो राज्यहरूलाई जित्दै आफ्नो कब्जामा गर्न थाल्यो. Slowly and gradually Japan attack on that the Pearl Harbor, Hawaii of that the USA. When they attacked, then the USA was involved in the war. And after involving, he dropped that is a war. One little boy on that the 6 September in the Nagasaki and Hiroshima, two bomb dropped in the Japan and destroyed the areas. And end of that is a war. ढिलो भयो भने जाऊ. ढिलो हुन्छ भने जाऊ, नभए बस. के को लागि आयो? एउटा गर्नु कि बस, छैन भने जाऊ. आधी घन्टा लाग्छ. What was there is in the 1943, Britain, USA and the Allies had a ray of victory. In the 1943, it was started in the 1939, but mid of the war, that the war at the beginning, Axis was in the power, getting the victory. When USA come, that is involved in the war, then the Allies become stronger than the Axis. And the victory of the Allies is start. That is, at last the war came into the end, and Franklin D. Roosevelt, the President of the USA, and the Winston Churchill, the Prime Minister of Britain, both, what has to do, had a vision of the United Nations, which would prevent war and ensure human security and the freedom, so that events like the Jewish murder would not take place again. The Prime Minister of the Britain and the President of USA, Franklin Roosevelt, both have that the vision, and they in the warship they signed treaty, and it is called the Atlantic Charters. Later they call and established the UN in the 1945. That was the vision of them, and they don't like to just repeat the same thing that the Germany has, that they kill the many millions of the people in the Jews. that inhumanity and cruelty never repeat again. That was the concept of that. Eleanor Roosevelt, wife of the Franklin Roosevelt, played a great role in that the drawing of the human rights declarations. She was the wife of President Roosevelt. Eleanor was the very intellectual lady. She was very devoted to her husband. It was she who helped her husband win presidents of the USA for the 3 times. Franklin Roosevelt 3 times. Intellectual lady. You heard the name. There is the hand of the woman in the success of every man. If the woman do not hand theirs, the man cannot success. It means that the example of Eleanor Roosevelt. Did you heard? Franklin Roosevelt became the 3 times the president of USA. There are 3 times the USA president. The ideas of the Human Rights Declarations and occurred to her after the end of the war. It was the time of materialized her dream. She represented the USA in drawing of the declarations, and she had to face a number of problems. However, she was successful in her attempt. Of course, that the any things which is the new you are going to do, so you have to face the problems in there. It creates the problems. But if there is problems, let me say like this is the problem that the main class you see there, right? Even that the problem is on place, but I have to face my requirement, what is there is, right? So it has. But what are human rights? Human rights is the right to develop personality. Human rights is the one particular person, their personality. It is the claim of the individuals which is recognized by the society. There may be several other definitions, but they are all related to the welfare of human beings. Welfare of the human beings is there. In the Article 30 is there in the human rights, and there are the human rights declarations. Each right is recognized as fundamental. Is fundamental right, that is of all human rights. Human beings are born free and equal. Means while burning they are the free and equal. There is not that the by the caste and that. This is a right to that human right. There is a everyone has right to freedom without any discrimination. No discrimination by any. Everyone has right to life, liberty and security, recognition as human beings, equality before law, freedom of movements and residence within the boundary of one's country, seek refuge in other country, nationality, property, freedom of thoughts and religion, freedom of opinion and expression, freedom of peaceful and assembly and association, participation in government, equal access to public service, work and equal pay for equal work, form unions of the protection of interest, rest and leisure, reasonable limitation to working hours, standard living provide for the health and the well-being of themselves and family, education, right to education is it, right to culture of life of the community, cultural life. What is your cultural life? That you have to follow, that is your rights. It's the human rights there is that gives fair and the public hearing, isn't it? No one shall be held in salary Yes, slavery. Held in slavery, slave trade shall be prohibited, means not. Subjected to tortures or the cruel inhuman treatment. Torture गर्न मिलिएन. Subjected to arrest, detention or exile. Subjected to arbitrary interference with their privacy, family, home, or correspondence. These are the reasons. And all are entitled to a social and international order so that this declaration can be the fully realized. That once these are also fundamental rights. Men and women of age have the right to marry and have a family. Mrs. Nepal government quoted the age group like here that the 24, 22 and 20, men 22 and that the women 20, girls 20. It was 18, now the 20. Age group of they can get the marry and have a family. It is their rights. The declarations was adopted by the General Assembly of the United Nations on 10 December 1948. This is why we observe every 10 December as the International Human Rights Day. Having done a worthy job for the welfare of the mankind, Eleanor died at the age of 78 years, and she is an immense source of inspiration for all of us. That concept of human rights, that practices, that labor, that make them implement by declared by the United Nations, it is one of the great achievement for the we human beings, right? And now it becomes the international human rights, isn't it? All the nations that follow it. These are the great things for us also. Human rights organization in Nepal, with the adoptions of the more human rights, friendly state policies and growing concern towards human rights issues developing in the public, several human rights organizations of national levels have been established in Nepal. They have been publicizing the issues, report and investigate the case of human rights violation and help provide justice to victims. Below is a short introduction to some major human rights organizations now active in Nepal. These are the human rights in Nepal. That's also in short introduction to some human rights. There is in our organization the Human Rights Commission is here, the National Human Rights Commission that involved in our constitution. Yes, one of the achievements for us. As you know, gone through the organization in detail in an earlier lessons in this unit. National Human Rights Commission is a constitutional organ of the country, consisting of our chairman and 4 members appointed by the president. This commission works to protect and promote the human rights of the citizens, and with its main motto, dignity, equality, and justice for all. What is this provides us? Dignity, equality, and justice. Dignity means your dignity means like here that no one insult you. You keep your dignity up. In which situation, what environment, what cultures you are living, means you are respected that one. Equality means you are not discrimination by any genders, caste, religion. No discriminations. That equally there is. The third one is that justice for all. Means you will get your, if you are right, means you will get the right justice. Yeah. And it supports the victim of the human rights violation on the one hand and assist and pressurize the government to ensure effective policies and programs in these directions on the other. Therefore, the role of the agency is important. Role of the which agency, that is very important. There is a, other than the informal sector service center. INSEC one है right? INSEC भनेको informal sector service center. Yeah. Since it is established in the 1988 as an NGO, INSEC has been active in the field of human rights observation. It's the benevolent programs are directed inclusively towards the disadvantaged group and the other more vulnerable groups such as agricultural laborers, of deprivileged women and socially discriminated peoples, including the Dalit and children's. Means those who are Dalit and backwarded are insulted in or the neglected in the societies. Means how to uplift and how to give them right and right to them. It's a fight for that one. Every year it publishes human rights yearbook. There is a that gives a comprehensive picture of the human rights situation of the country in the preceding years. That the photos are there is, and that was the inclusive, comprehensive from all groups of the peoples are theirs. Last one is the MITI. MITI and International IA one say like MITI International Nepal, established in the 1961